So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutormania. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or connect Google Workspace with your Gemini AI on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your Gemini AI. So first of all, let's talk about Gemini AI app. What is Gemini AI? Gemini AI is basically a new AI developed by Google, which has recently replaced Google Assistant. So it will work like Google Assistant also and can do multiple other works also. Like it can generate answers like ChatGPT, it can also generate images that you want it to generate. Let's move to actual topic. Go to profile here, then go to extensions. Here you will see multiple options: Google File, Google Map. Here you will see Google Workspace. Tap it, then tap connect. And that's it. That's how you can connect Google Workspace with your Google Gemini AI. And here you can ask any type of question with your Gemini AI, or just you can press on microphone option and ask using voice command. And that's it for today's video. That's how you can enable or connect Google Workspace with your Gemini AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. See ya.